Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Crazee Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny, the Crazee Country Couponer. And well, it's brag time. Yep, it's been a long time since I've done a brag video. That's because, well, it takes up so much room. And usually here lately, I've just been getting a lot of soda deals. But I wanted to show you what you can do if you hang out with your crazy friends. Yep. And you want to know. So come on in and I'm going to tell you all about it. And on your way in, please like and share the video with your friends and invite them on over as well. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you're just kind of stopping by a little curious, well, good for you. Yeah, because we're going to save you tons of money. Look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here every day at Crazee Country Couponer. Yep. And make sure you read the comments, because my crazy friends, they know things and they don't mind telling you about it too. Alright, everybody, please, before we proceed, if you will give me a comment and an emoji. Only takes a second or two. Do it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. 4 seconds and you're done. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because now we can help thousands more people. Because hopefully YouTube will put us out there in the algorithm. Alright. After all that being said and done, did you get your deals today? Okay. Did you get your paper products? Did you get your glitches? Did you get your cookies? Yes. I told you here, we like to get our cookies. And eat them too. And we get to. Just like we get to spend our money and keep it in our pocket. Now, let me tell you how we're going to do that. Well, you're just going to hang out with us, watch the videos, and everybody has different needs. And we try to give a variety of videos for a variety of needs. And right now, we're concentrating on food items. Because everybody does the laundry detergent, and if we have a worthwhile deal on laundry detergent, we'll throw that in there too. But anyway, let's talk about what we got right here, guys. I took advantage of that 5 off of 25 Bounty Puffs deal. Okay? Like the one I'd had in the video that I showed you. I ended up getting $5 off from my Bounty, $1 off on my Puffs, another $1.50 off on that Bounty, and 50 cents off on that Bounty. Yes, but we included that into a 10 off of 40. Now, did anybody have any problems with their 10 off of 40? Yeah, I did. I have a 5 off of 25, and I had a 10 off of 40. I had a 10 off of 40 in a paper coupon, and I had it in a digital. But because I had my 5 off of 25 on the same account, I went ahead and did the Friskies deal, because those Frisky coupons are back. Okay, those stacking Friskies coupons are back. Save $5 when you spend 25, and then the $5 off on 3 Friskies. And there's an earn on these too, but we won't know yet if the earn is going to pay, so we'll have to wait and see if the earn is going to pay. But more importantly, they're on sale for $5.25. So I got 5 of those. I only paid $11 and some change. We'll look at the receipt here in a minute. So this was a really good deal. But I used this on my 5 off of 25. Worked no problem. Okay? No problem. But when it comes to doing the 10 off of 40, I had to actually spend $40 after coupons before that $10 would come off. Yeah. And tried it digitally. Wouldn't work. Tried it with the paper coupon. And the only way it would work is if I spent $40 out of pocket after coupons, and then it gave me my $10 off. So, what did I get for $26 and change? Well, I got all the Bounty products. I got my Wonder White Sub Rolls. I'm hoping that earn will pay the 50 cents on these. We'll see. I got the Iams cat food, which has a $3 earn on it. I got my Febreze, which was buy one, get one free. And to make the deal work, because after coupons, I was at $39. Or, no, 30, yeah, they're like $39 and change. I grabbed a lighter and threw up there. Okay? And voila, the $10 kicked in. So I had to spend that amount before the $10 kicked in. So, I don't know. I might want to stick with my 5 off 25s. But, let's talk about these. Did you get your Reese's deal? Or not your Reese's, but your Chips Ahoy deal? I ended up with 6 of these. I got the Reese's Cup ones. And they were also 3 for $6. And I got the regular Chips Ahoy ones. And I even got my last free Reese's, or my penny Reese's candy from the game. So I finally found my last candy from that. But at least it paid off, guys. Now, let's talk about the math of the situation. Okay, this is our final breakdown, guys. I spent a total out of pocket of $42.58, and I saved a total of $48.65, and I got 20 items. So let's do a breakdown and see how much per item that is. Now, when I get my earn back for my Iams cat food, my final out of pocket should be around $39.58. And if by chance those other earns kick in for the Friskies cat food, well, it will even be lower. It breaks down to like $2.12 an item. And I want you to look at, well, look at the cost of these items. This is the Friskies cat food, normally $6.25. And like I said, this one came off like clockwork. 555, boom, done. And like I said, these were some new Friskies coupons. Or at least the 5 off of 25 one was, I do believe. And then we've got the Bounty deal. The promotion that came off on the Bounty. Or on the Puffs. Because it was 3 for $5. And then my sub rolls. I just throw me some food in there, because, you know, I'm always talking about, you know, if you're going to save money, you got to throw you some food in there. And some good, healthy kitten food for the fur babies. My Febreze. And the lighter. And you can see all the coupons coming off. There was an extra $1.15 discount. And not quite sure where that one went to, but my out-of-pocket on this one was $25 and change, and a savings of $22.65 just on that one alone. And of course, this is my cookie one. I decided not to throw these cookies into another transaction. The new coupon I just noticed right before I went into the store, so almost didn't do it. But then I thought, well, how often do you get 3 bags for $8? I better go ahead and do it. And even if I have to, I will throw them in the freezer, because cookies freeze pretty good. Okay? So, there you go, guys. This is just to let you know what you can do if you follow us, you know, on YouTube. That's all you got to do. Is come and hang out with us a little bit every day. And we'll tell you how to save and save and save. And how to make a chicken dinner. Alright, everybody. Blessings. And we'll talk to you again, because tomorrow we got new coupons and new deals. And you know you want to know. Love you bunches. And if you haven't left me that comment or the emojis, please do so now.